Hey guys, it's Tyson BB85 here, and thanks for watching this video. In this video, I'm going to show you a website that's called Alternative 2. If you want to go to this website, it's called alternative2.net. Here's the spelling if you want it. And in this website, you'll get all sorts of softwares which you can imagine. You can get everything from this website. If you go to the home page, it writes alternatives to Windows, Mac and Linux and other online applications. So you get all these all this stuff here, and it has softwares for 3 different OSs, that's Windows, Mac and Linux. And if you go to this new views tab, most views tab, you'll get the softwares which are downloaded most frequently. So you'll get a list of it. That's all this. You get a big list, and you can go next and keep on viewing the list. But I won't go through that list. And if you it has one more tab, it has three more tabs. The next tab is called the most likes. So the most people have liked after using that software. So here you have another list. It's similar to the previous one. And the next tab is the recent list. That means softwares which were downloaded recently, very recently. You have a list again. And the no alternatives tab, that means the softwares which do not have any alternatives, they are just one of a kind. So what this website does is, if you just first go to this search bar here, you have one, then just type in something, any name of a software. I'll just type in Winamp, and then just click on Winamp, or just press enter, it doesn't matter, and hopefully it'll show you the results. And here you have all applications which match with the keyword Winamp, and you'll get a small list. These are all the softwares which are located are associated with this name. So I just want this software that's called Winamp. If I click on that, you'll be brought to another page. It's they give you some information about that software here, around 2 lines or something. It tells you about it tells you that if it's free or if it's open source, or if it's a commercial software, and it shows you the name of the company. So here the name of the company is Nullsoft or AOL. And you can see the likes. That means when you download a software, you can rate the software as you like it or not. So 97 people liked it. That means that's a very good rating for this. And you have other tags here. You have the platforms, that's Windows. Then if you go down, this is the main part which I like most about this website. If you go down, you have this alternative tabs which comes out, and then you get a list of the alternative softwares that are alternatives for this software which you are searching for. So for instance, now I'm just on the Winamp page, and I get alternatives for the Winamp software. So there's Songbird, Fuba 2000, iTunes, Media Monkey, and a lot of others. So you can even filter your tags by a tag. You have Media Player, Nullsoft, whatever name you want, and then you have the license, that's commercial, free and open source. Then the next is platform, Mac, Windows, Linux, online. So it's very cool. And if I go to the other software, it even shows you if it's for Windows, Mac and Linux. So this one is showing Windows, Mac and Linux. So this Songbird is for supports all three OSs. So that's pretty cool. You can easily come to know in a glance if the software is compatible with your OS. And this one has 171 likes, so that's a very nice rating. And it has got 13 comments, and you can like it. If you like the software, you have this like thing here. Just click on that, and you'll rate it like, if you like that software, you just rate it like. That's it. So you can go through the list of the alternative softwares, and if you click on all applications, it will show you all the applications. Then what's next? Get involved. Suggest a new alternative for Winamp. So you can even go and suggest a new alternative for the software and suggest changes to that software. And in more information, you can see from which person it was added, and you can check the date of when it was added and when it was updated. And you can see the recent activity on Winamp. Then what else? Then if you want a software for a particular OS, you can just go to Windows. If you want Windows, just click on that Windows here, and you'll go to the Windows mode. So all softwares which you search now are only gonna be for Windows, so that's pretty cool. And if you are a Mac user, just click on the Mac tab, and here it is. So these are all the softwares which are compatible with the Mac, so it's very useful. And next is Linux. So there's a list again for Linux. So it's very useful sometimes, because if you don't want to if you only want to see the softwares which your PC is compatible with, just use this. It's very useful. And this is the list of other online applications. So there's Grooveshark, which is a very well-known application. Last.fm, SpiderOak, Pandora Radio, that's very famous, Picasa, iDisk for the Mac, and lots of cool stuff. So this was my video on how to get softwares and their alternatives very easily from this website. That's called alternative2.net. And there's one more thing which you would like to be informed about, that if you click on this mobile here instead of the desktop, click on the mobile, and you'll instantly be transformed to the mobile view. That's all the softwares which you see now are for the mobile, your mobiles. So even the tabs here changes from Windows, Mac and Linux. It changes to iPhone, WinMobile, Android, BlackBerry and S60. So here you have the different softwares for your phone, mobiles, and similarly the same thing, you just have to type in something, then it shows you whether this one's compatible with Java, Windows Mobile, iPhone, and it shows you if it's free, or it's a commercial software, or it's open source. And you can even like it again. Just click on the like button, and if you just go down, you click on this find alternatives to that software, and you'll be shown with the list of the softwares which are alternatives to that software. So thanks for watching, guys. So this was my video on how to get alternative softwares for Windows, Mac and Linux. So thanks again.